Another short video for Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. If you're going to change the brakes, the caliper, the rotors, just want to give you some measurements. When you take off the actual tire, the screw right here, it's let me see, it's a 19 for that one. To take it off, take the tires off. To take off the caliper, well, the brakes first, this right here, you need an Allen head, and this size is a 6mm. That's for this one right here. To take off the actual caliper right here, you need a socket size, let me see, the 21 goes right in there. Take it off. And actual take off the rotor, there's a screw right here. You need a star bit. I believe it's a size 30. If you don't have it, you can do what I did, which is right here. That holds the rotor in place. I had to drill it out. And then this little stub that's there, all I got to do is put a vice grip on and take it off. Either replace it or you really don't need it. I hope all these measurements can help you out if you do any work on your Mercedes Sprinter.